Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. To download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, tap on the devices icon. Here select your Honor Watch ES from the list of devices. Then scroll down and find the watch faces category. Once you find it, tap on more to open the whole store. If you don't see the watch faces category, it could be because when you install the app, the Huawei Health application for the first time, you selected the region that doesn't support this feature. So one thing you could try is to change the region or reinstall the app and select the different region there. And once you see the option, tap on more. And it will open the list of watch faces, basically the watch face store, as you can see. Find the watch face you would like to download. I'm just gonna select free category. Find the watch face. For example, I don't know, maybe this one. And once you find the watch face, you can tap on the install button to download and install it. Okay, and once the watch face is done downloading and installing, it will be applied on your watch, as you can see. You can also check the list of watch faces downloaded to your watch by going back to the main page of the watch face store, tapping on mine, and here we have download history, and you can check the list of watch faces downloaded. Also, you have the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and here we have the one we downloaded. If you want to remove it, you can tap on edit. You can then tap on the X button next to the watch face, then tap on OK to remove it, like this. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.